is she and
C.
I'm Shlin and this is my little sister
Fiona.
Today we are going to make Oobleck. For this we will need cornstarch, some water and color. Let us begin. Add 1 cup of cornstarch into this. Add color into the half cup of water. Water into the cornstarch and mix it. Now it became Oobleck. Shiona, do you think it's a solid or liquid?
I don't know.
Let us see. When I punch it, it's solid. But what's it liquid? How's that happening?
Let me punch it. Let me put this on there.
Okay. Oh. It's solid. Let me try. It's hard.
Wait.
Wow, nice liquid. Yeah. Make a bar, make a bar, make a bar, make a bar.
I want to make
It's
a
a
ball.
liquid. See?
I want to make a ball.
See guys, it's a liquid. Okay, Shiana, you can make a ball too.
Okay. Yeah. Second is a vehicle.
Let me.
Can you take a look? See this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that.
Let's make a bag.
Guys, do not throw this into the sink or the sink will get clogged.
Make a bag, make a sidebar.
The reason for this experiment is the Oobleck is non-Newtonian fluid, which means the viscosity changes under the pressure. It acts both solid and liquid. When we punch or squeeze the Oobleck, it feels solid because the molecules of the cornstarch line up together. But if we slowly dip our finger into the Oobleck, it feels liquid because the cornstarch molecules have time to move out of the way. Friends, it was so much fun playing with this Oobleck. I hope you guys make it also. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and then press the subscribe button, like and share with your friends. Bye!